ever wondered which dog breeds are the most intelligent? Not just smart in learning tricks, but truly brilliant. Quick learners, problem solvers, and even emotional geniuses. Today, we're counting down the top 20 smartest dog breeds in the world, ranked by leading canine psychologist Dr. Stanley Coren and backed by science. So grab your notepad, maybe your dog, and let's begin from number 20 down to the undisputed champion of canine intellect. '20. Cocker Spaniel, USA. Friendly, affectionate, and a true companion, Cocker Spaniels may be small, but they learn commands within just 10 repetitions. Perfect for families, they weigh around 20-30 pounds and are known for their gentle, people-loving nature. 19. Brittany, France. This energetic breed is a hunter at heart and a cuddler at home. With an average weight of 30-40 pounds, Brittany's are fast learners and thrive on both physical and mental activity. 18. Flat-coated Retriever, English Cocker Spaniel, and Standard Schnauzer, Thai. Let's meet 3 equally brilliant breeds. Flat-coated Retriever, UK, loyal, happy, and full of energy. English Cocker Spaniel, UK, sweet-natured and smart. Standard Schnauzer, Germany, sharp, alert, and protective. Each learns commands within 10-15 tries and weighs between 30-70 pounds. 17. German Short-haired Pointer, Germany. Weighing 45-70 pounds, this athletic breed is known for intelligence in hunting and obedience. They thrive in active households and make loyal family members. 16. Collie and Keeshond, Thai. Collie, Scotland. Made famous by Lassie, collies are gentle and intelligent. Keeshond, Netherlands. A fluffy watchdog that's social and smart. Both are affectionate and perfect for families. 15. Schipperke and Belgian Sheepdog, Thai. Schipperke, Belgium. Curious, bold, and small but mighty. Belgian Sheepdog, Belgium. Loyal, focused, and highly trainable. 14. Belgian Tervuren, Belgium. Elegant and intense, the Tervuren is a workhorse in disguise. Known for precision and speed, they need both mental stimulation and physical exercise. 13. English Springer Spaniel, UK. Friendly and eager to please, Springers weigh about 40-50 pounds. Their cheerful personality and easy trainability make them ideal for families. 12. Miniature Schnauzer, Germany. Alert and obedient, this beardy-faced pup is full of personality. They weigh just 11-20 pounds, but don't underestimate their brain power. 11. Pembroke Welsh Corgi, Wales. Corgis might have short legs, but they have a big brain. These herding dogs are clever, affectionate, and famously loyal. Now, we've entered the genius zone. These top 10 dog breeds learn new commands in fewer than 5 repetitions and obey the first command 95% of the time. 10. Australian Cattle Dog, Australia. Independent and determined, they're not ideal for first-time owners, but their brains are elite. They weigh around 35-50 pounds and need tasks to stay happy. 9. Rottweiler, Germany. Fiercely loyal and confident, Rottweilers excel in obedience training. Often seen as protectors, they're also gentle with families when properly trained. 8. Papillon, France, Belgium. Don't let the small size fool you. This 4-9-pound butterfly-eared pup is an agility champion and a fast learner. Their intelligence surprises everyone. 7. Labrador Retriever, Canada, UK. Friendly, reliable, and America's favorite dog. Labs are easy to train and incredibly adaptive, ideal for service, work, search, and rescue, or just being your best buddy. 6. Shetland Sheepdog, Scotland. This little herder is like a mini collie with a genius IQ. They are alert, obedient, and perform brilliantly in competitions. 5. Doberman Pinscher, Germany. Dobermans combine brains, strength, and elegance. Their trainability and loyalty make them favorites in police and security work. 4. Golden Retriever, Scotland. Loyal, loving, and extremely bright, Goldens are eager to please. Their intelligence makes them natural therapy dogs and obedient companions. 3. German Shepherd, Germany. The ultimate working dog, confident, brave, and brilliant. From military service to guiding the blind, German Shepherds are reliable and deeply bonded to their owners. 2. Poodle, Germany, France. Don't let the fancy haircut distract you. Poodles are second only to one breed. They excel in obedience, tricks, and even emotional intelligence. 1. Border Collie, Scotland, England. The Einstein of dogs. Border Collies are lightning-fast learners. One dog named Chaser knew over 1,000 word subjects, commands, even abstract ideas. If there's one dog that can outsmart you, it's probably a Border Collie. So whether you're looking for a loyal companion, a brilliant service dog, or a four-legged family member, these breeds have the brains to match your heart. Which breed surprised you the most? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible dog content.